So, good morning everyone. Good morning class. How are you today? Very good. Okay, so class, before we proceed with our discussion and our topic for this morning, kindly please, everybody, please stand and I will kindly ask Miss Angel May to kindly lead the prayer for this morning. Okay? Okay, thank you, Miss Angel May. All right. Kindly, class, kindly sit down. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, class, have you remembered or have you recalled our topic yesterday, our lesson yesterday? Have you recalled it? Yes, very good. So, our topic yesterday is uh, in relation to our topic for this morning. Okay, so before I proceed, I have here a certain object, I have here a certain thing, and I want you to observe it. Observe its appearance, and I want you to tell me about your observation about this thing. Okay, so here it is. Kindly look at this one, class. What have you observed? Okay, anyone? Yes? Mr. Nino? Very good. So this is a leaf of a certain plant. Okay? This is a leaf of a flower. Okay, very good. And this flower is also known as the San Francisco flower. Okay, okay, very good. So, class, I want you to tell me the color of this leaf. Very good. So, what do you think is the significance why I present this leaf or this thing to you right now? Okay, Miss Angel May? Very good. Because the significance is that it is related now to our topic for this morning. Okay, when do you think was the right time for me to pick this leaf? Anyone? When was the right time? When was the perfect time for me to get this leaf? Yes, very good. So, in relation to that, our topic for this morning is about the question of when would be the right time for everything to do. Okay? So this morning, I am going to tell you a story, a short story about a certain king, because this king wants to know when was the right time for everything to do. Okay? So, in order to answer all of your questions regarding the flower and regarding the right time for everything to do, then let me read to you the story first. Okay, this story is entitled The Three Questions by Leo Tolstoy. You to listen very carefully. I want you to open up your hearts and your ears and your minds so that you can relate and then you can understand the poem, and then right after that you can answer all the questions that I've asked you a while ago. Okay? So this is the story of the three questions by Leo Tolstoy, and it is read as follows. Okay, kindly look at the board. Okay, now have you understand the story, class? Very good. So the story is all about the king and his three questions about when was the right time to do everything. Have you understand the story again? Very good. So the story is very beautiful, very meaningful, and I hope that you understand it thoroughly. Okay? Now, class, I want you to get a 1/2 sheet of paper and answer these questions based on your own understanding of the story. Okay? So number one, why do you think The king is always seeking to find the perfect time to do everything. Again, why do you think the king is always seeking to find the perfect time to do everything? Number two, what do you think will happen if the king did not go to the woods and meet the sage? And number three, what would be the moral lesson of the story? Okay, have you get it, class? Very good. Now, in order to further your understanding, I also prepared some story, and I want you to read it and answer the following questions after reading the follow-up story in your Edmodo app. Okay? So that's all for today, class. I hope that you enjoyed our topic, our lesson about the story, and I hope that you will leave the moral lesson that you get from reading that story. Thank you.